Dogecoin, Doge, is a mineable coin that is at present exchanged at $0.092830 per unit, with the market capitalization of $13,214,359,705. That certainly makes it a mid-position digital money in a very huge manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin generally have currently truly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for very financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for kind of huge institutional financial backers who truly see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a viable truly fence against expansion that takes a truly weighty cost for the worldwide economy in a kind of significant manner. Consequently, having it kind of the most on a piece of the portfolio committed to crypto is for all intents and purposes an absolute requirement for any broker and financial backer who essentially needs to by and large develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, which generally is very huge. Yet, with it comes the need to intently explicitly follow the improvements on the expressed market to appreciate what is happening and basically have some feeling representing things to come, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. This Dogecoin cost expectation model sort of was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, in a real sense track down the kind of the best coins or tokens to fundamentally put resources into and explicitly keep the value bend filling in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to digging into the inside and out Dogecoin investigation and cost expectation, we might want to basically help you to remember the sort of fundamental guidelines of digital currency exchanging and speculation. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its fundamentally current standings, as well as the mid-term and extremely long-haul cost expectation that especially depends on the readings of our in every practical sense exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, which generally is genuinely huge. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin by and large stands at $0.092830, and this sort of specific advanced resource especially stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide digital currency positioning, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. For fundamentally your data, the in every way that really matters, positioning of each and every cryptographic money in every way that really matters is vigorously dependent on its exceptionally current market capitalization and cost, and generally is determined by duplicating these two factors. Something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to, which generally shows that as of now, the cost of Dogecoin basically remains at $0.092830, and this sort of specific advanced resource sort of stands firm on the 10th footing in the worldwide digital money, by and large positioning. Likewise, to in every way that really matters, get an essentially better in a real sense handle of the market circumstance and explicitly figure out the extremely broad bearing of the pattern, or to by and large enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise critical to in every way that really. Yesterday, on December 22, the cost of Dogecoin essentially remained at $0.094999 at the end of the kind of day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 0.47% contrast when contrasted with the by and large current cost 7 days prior, on December 16. The Dogecoin market for the most part remained at $0.093004 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an in every way that really matters, enormous way. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% comparable to its certainly present standing. A month prior, on November 23, Dogecoin especially was valued at $0.075781, which in every practical sense matched with our cost expectation for that specific period in an unpretentious manner. Contrasted with the by and large present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 22.50% cost move, which generally is genuinely critical. At the point when it really comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves most certainly more as a mark of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its especially generally prevalence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which sort of is very critical. Numerous digital currency merchants view market capitalization as an especially key pointer to for the most part be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices. It really is determined by duplicating the exceptionally all-out number of coins that are right now available for use, coursing supply, by the kind of current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now truly remains at $0.092830, or so they basically thought. Considering that equation, we sort of have determined the extremely current market capitalization of Dogecoin to generally be at $13,214,359,705, which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among these very present on the cryptographic money market, showing here right now, the cost of Dogecoin really remains at $0.092830. And this genuinely specific computerized resource fundamentally stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide digital money, pretty positioning in a significant manner. Yesterday, on December 22, the market capitalization of Dogecoin generally remained at $13.520 win 220 win 777, keep going week. On December 16, the aggregate sum of genuinely capital committed to Dogecoin was laid out at $13.229 748 597. The information from a month prior, enlisted on November 23, fundamentally shows that Dogecoin really had a market capitalization of $10.756 290 win 364. Which sort of is very critical. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and in a real sense, are either coursing available or secured in engineers' or alternately holders' cool wallets in a sort of significant manner. The very complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that truly have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. It can by and large measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that truly is public on the financial exchange, which truly is genuinely critical. The sort of complete stock of Dogecoin as of now sort of stands at 142 356 136 384 Doge, showing how Dogecoin, Doge, really is a mineable coin that by and large is right now exchanged at $0.092830 per unit, with the market capitalization of $13.214 359 705 that generally makes it a mid-position digital money incredibly. As currently made sense of, the flowing stockpile truly is the most generally involved genuinely metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, which explicitly is very critical. It compares with the very best estimation of the fundamentally in general number of coins that for the most part are public on cryptographic money trades and basically add to their liquidity. Their volume doesn't generally incorporate the coins that are vested, marked in especially brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or fundamentally put unavailable for general use in an exceptionally large manner. The flowing inventory really is essentially what might be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange, which sort of is genuinely huge. At this moment, the flowing inventory of Dogecoin sort of is assessed at 142 356 136 384 Doge. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market essentially added up to $447,650,080 in an extremely significant manner. Yesterday, on December 22, the genuinely normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting explicitly added up to $808,500,5054, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on December 16, the power of